Hello, the history hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we're taking you on an exploration of the castle of Thuriès,
which was built in the 13th century by the right-hand man of the Count of Toulouse. We find ourselves near the French town of Pampelonne. Here, on a peninsula on the river Vior, we find the castle of Thuriès. With steep cliffs and the river on three sides, its strong strategic position becomes evident. It's located on the old road linking cities of Toulouse and Lyon. Warning sign, it's dangerous. Before restoration, so maybe they will restore it one day.
Rickety stairs. First construction of the castle dates to somewhere in the 13th century when Sicard Allemand, a knight from the court of the Count of Toulouse, came to possess the castle. He's the same knight that constructed the castle at Castelnau-de-Lévis, which we featured a few weeks ago. By the end of the century, the castle was sold to the King of France, however. The Seneschal bought the castle and ordered construction of a town nearby, which he named Pampelonne, after the Spanish town of Pamplona, which he had also governed in the past.
During the 100 Years' War, the castle was captured by English troops. It was in 1380 that the English mercenary known as the Bastard of Mauléon disguised himself and 3 companions as women. They knocked on the door of the castle asking for water from the fountain. Through this ruse, the bastard was able to capture the castle. From here, he terrorized the countryside for 5 years.
The castle is mentioned as being in poor condition after it was returned to its rightful owner. Just like many ruins in the region, the castle was dismantled by orders of Richelieu in the 17th century.
By far the most impressive part of this castle is the donjon or keep. Despite all the hardship this castle had to endure, the tower hasn't lost its grandeur. Notwithstanding the intense rivalry from the hydroelectric dam nearby, the tower still manages to dominate the landscape. It emanates the power of long-lost times.
We're at the end of our tour of the Château de Thuriès. Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. And I'm gonna go for a 5.5. Yeah, really cool castle. Lot to see, great surroundings. What do you think?
I'm going to go for a 5 indeed. The surroundings are amazing, but the castle itself, the remainders are quite small, although it is quite nice that they put the iron railings around so you at least get a feeling of how big and grand the castle used to be.
Thank you so much for watching. We were the History Hikers.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
And until next time.
Bye.